This 10-in-1 hatchet multi-tool arrived earlier, and I'm excited to open it up and have a look at it with you. This comes with a soft case with a belt loop and a hard plastic sheath, and the axe is sharp, the knife is sharp, all the tools are really sharp on this one. At the top, along with the hatchet and the hammer, there is a screwdriver adapter. The screwdrivers are on the back, there's 3 of them, and they come out pushing down. I can see people trying to push those up, so I wanted to say that. That way people can just push them down real easily and not go through 10 minutes of trying to push them up. You also have your hexagon wrench, your knife, bottle, can opener, file. Everything's sharp. Everything's nice and thick. There's a lot of weight to it. It's a nice hatchet multi-tool. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have yourself a great day.